In this video, I will show you step by step how you can create trending AI history short videos without investing any money and for free and just by using AI. Okay, this will be an easy and quick tutorial for you guys. So let's get started. Okay, so the history topic that we will use is Cleopatra history. Okay, this is the topic that will be about our YouTube short video, and as you can see, videos about this topic are getting million of views, like this one close to 2 million views, this one 6 million views. Look at this one, 6 million views, and it's still getting views. This video was uploaded 7 years ago, okay, and it's still getting views, 50 view per hour. Okay, so this is the power of YouTube. This one 5 million views. So videos about Cleopatra, they are getting million of views, as you can see, and we will make shorts also are getting a lot of views, like this one. It's 700k views, as you can see. Was Cleopatra ugly? So let's make shorts like this one. Okay, history trending short video about Cleopatra. So what you will do, you just need to go to ChatGPT. Okay, create your account, it's for free. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click over here and ask ChatGPT to make an engaging, okay, make an engaging short YouTube script, okay, short YouTube script about four facts about Cleopatra. Okay, and ChatGPT will start creating your short script for your short video. What you need to do next is you just need to copy this script and turn this script into voiceover. Okay, and I will show you how you can do it. It's super easy. Fact number one, fact number two. Let's copy fact number one. So just copy your YouTube script, okay, and go to Google, search for PlayHT, click on the first link. This website will turn this YouTube script into voiceover for free. Search for PlayHT, sign up by using your email address. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Click over here on change voice and choose which voiceover you want to use. They have a lot of different voiceovers: American voiceovers, British voiceovers, Canadian voiceovers, Australian voiceovers, and so much more. Okay, let's check.
Hey, I'm Will from Amazon. I'm calling in regards to the laptop stand you ordered last week. We've just, rolled out a promotion.
They are really almost like a human voiceover, high quality, and they are really good. Okay, so let's
Alright, so teaching subtractions. Alright, so Hello, Play Support Speak.
I will choose
Once Upon a Time.
Okay, I will choose this one, Samuel. Click on the voiceover that you want to use, scroll down, click on confirm, put your YouTube script here, okay, like this, and I will click on paste, put your YouTube script here. Fact number one, I will copy fact number two, like this, and they will go back to PlayHT website and they will put fact number two here. Okay, I will delete this part. I don't want to make this short too much long. So after you put your script here, click on generate speech, okay, and your script will be recorded. Okay, it's really super easy and it's for free. Okay, so after you finish, so what you will do, let me show you, and here you go, your script will be recorded. So what you will do, click on export and click on as a single audio file. Okay, and your voiceover will be download to your laptop. Okay, what you will do next, you will go back to Google, okay, go back to Google. Let me show you. Search for Canva. Okay, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. After you finish, this will be your home page. Okay, click on video and you will be directly in this page over here. Okay, what you will do next, click over here on resize. Okay, click on resize, scroll down, click on YouTube short. Okay, we need a YouTube short size. Click on continue, click on resize this design. Okay, and here you go. So let me see, and here you go. You will get a short size for your YouTube short video. Okay, so what you need to do next, you need to click over here on upload. Okay, click on upload file and you need to upload your voiceover. Okay, so let me show you. Let's upload our voiceover. Okay, this is my voiceover. Click on open and your voiceover will be uploaded to Canva. Click on your voiceover. Your voiceover will be in this page. Okay, click on add page like this. Add page, add page, add page, and add more page that will be matched with your voiceover. Okay, like this. After you finish, go to the first page. Okay, click on elements. Click on the search for Cleopatra. Okay, click on videos. You will find a lot of videos here that you can use, or you can use pictures. Okay, so let me see if we can find good videos here. You can also use pictures. Okay, so let me see. Okay, so I will click on photos. It's better to use pictures, and here you go. I will click on the first picture. Your picture will be here. Click on this 3 points. Click on set image as background. Okay, like this. Click on the next page. Make this so the first picture, make it just to 3 seconds or 2 seconds. Click on the second page and choose different picture. Okay, I will choose this one. Keep clicking on your picture. They will make it like this. Done. And they will make it 3 seconds. Click on the next page, scroll down and try to use different pictures like I said about Cleopatra. Okay, set image as background. Click on the next page. We will also add caption to this script to make it more engaging, and we will add a background music and so much more. So we will get a professional history trending short video. Okay, so I will scroll down. Let me see, I will choose this one like this, make it short. Okay, click on the next page, scroll down and choose a different picture. Okay, like this. Click on the next page, make it this picture looks like this. Next page, scroll down. Okay, and I will choose, let me see, this one looks good. Set image as background, make it short. Click on add page, click on the next page, and here you go, almost done. Okay, let's add this one here. Click on the next page, scroll down. You will find a lot of pictures here about Cleopatra that you can use. Okay, let me see. I will use, for example, when I use, let me see. Okay, let's use also this one, old picture, like this. Click on add page, and add the last picture. Okay, I will add this one, and here you go. Okay, so add picture that will be matched with your voiceover. Okay, let me see, and here you go. Okay, after you finish, click on the first page, click on add transition, and choose which transition you want to add between those pages. Okay, I will add this transition, match and move. I will decrease it to just 0.3. Click on apply between all page. Okay, after you finish, click on the first page and click over here on animate. Okay, so you will animate picture. Scroll down, go to photo movement. Okay, like this, and here you go. Choose which photo movement you want to use. I will use, for example, this one, and I will decrease intensity like this, and I will click on apply to all page. Okay, and here you go. Okay, after you finish, so let me see. I will add another picture. Click on elements. Let's add. I will add this one. Set image as background, and we will delete this page. Okay, here you go. Okay, after you finish, click on share, click on download, click again on download. Okay, and this video will be download to your laptop. Okay, so what you will do next, I will show you how you can add background music and how you can add a trending caption to make this short more engaging and professional. Okay, so you just need to wait a few seconds for this video to be download to your laptop. Then we will use CapCut to make it more engaging. Okay, and here you go, your video will be uploaded to your laptop. So what you will do next, go to CapCut. Okay, if you don't have CapCut app to your laptop, it's super easy. Okay, just go to Google, search for CapCut, install it to your laptop, and that's it. It's for free. Okay, after you finish, this will be your home page. Click over here on import. Okay, just click on import, and I'll import the short that you uploaded from Canva. Okay, this is my short. Click on import. Okay, and here you go. Keep clicking in your short and put your short here. Okay, like this. Click over here on audio. Okay, and click on the search for Egypt background music, something related to Egypt. Let me see if we can find good background music. Let's check this one. This one is not good. Okay, so let me search again for Egypt like this. Okay, and you will find, let's check this one. Okay, this one is not good. Let's scroll down. This one is good. Okay, but let's see. This one also is good background music. Okay, I will use this one. Click on the background music that you want to use. Okay, keep clicking and put your background music here. Okay, like this, and they will put this one here, and they will click over here on split. Okay, like this, and click, double click, delete this one, click on your background music and decrease the volume to 22. Okay, like this. Okay, after you finish, click again over here on text. Okay, click on text, click on auto caption. Okay, click over here on generate. Okay, like this. So CapCut will add caption to your short video. Okay, it will take just few seconds and the caption will be added. Then I will show you how you can find and how we can use trending caption, okay, to make this shorts more professional and engaging. Okay, and here you go, let's check.
Fact 1 Multilingual Marvel.
Okay, click on your caption, click on templates. Okay, click on templates and choose which template you want to use for your caption. Okay, so you have different captions here. I will use this one. Okay, I'm gonna make it like this. Okay, and here you go, let's check. Okay, so let's check now this short and let me know guys your opinion about this short. Okay,
Fact 1 Multilingual Marvel. Cleopatra was not just a queen, but a polyglot prodigy. Fluent in several languages, including Egyptian, Greek, and Latin, she used her linguistic skills to negotiate with foreign leaders and maintain her grip on power. Fact 2 Strategic Seductress. While Cleopatra's beauty is legendary, it was her intellect and strategic acumen that truly set her apart.
this is really a professional and trending history video. This video made for free, okay, as you can see. So let me know guys in the comments what's your opinion about this.
Fact 1 Multilingual Marvel. Cleopatra was not just a queen, but a polyglot prodigy. Fluent in several languages, including Egyptian, Greek, and Latin, she used her linguistic skills to negotiate with foreign leaders and maintain her grip on power. Fact 2 Strategic Seductress. While Cleopatra's beauty is legendary, it was her intellect and strategic acumen that truly set her apart.
The background music, captions, video is engaging. That's for me, I really like it. Let me know in the comments guys, for you, what's your opinion. After you finish guys, you can click over here on export. Okay, just click on export, and this video will be exported to your laptop. Then you can go and start a history faceless YouTube channel without showing your face, without using your voice, uploading history trending videos about Cleopatra, Egypt, or any history topic you want. Okay, it's super easy, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video is helpful for you to start creating short trending short videos for free without any skills, without any experience. Just follow those steps and that's it. And see you in my next video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you.